we're going to work on number 3. So section 1, exercise 3, find the general solution of the equation u sub xy equal to 0 in terms of two arbitrary functions. So provided we have u sub xy equal to 0, we need to find two arbitrary functions in the general solution. So we can rewrite that as partial u squared partial x partial y is equal to 0. We can further write this as partial u partial x times partial u partial y is equal to 0. But essentially we could say that if I distribute this over here then essentially this is just partial. This implies that partial u partial x equals 0. Or partial u partial y equals 0. And we can solve this by separation of variables. And we get that u1 is equal to phi1 of x. And because when you integrate with partial derivatives, instead of constants, it become functions. And then when you get partial u is equal to the interval 0, partial y, and similarly we get u2 is equal to phi2 of y. And we know that since this is homogeneous, we can apply linear algebra rules, which is that the sum of two solutions is also a solution. So we can say that u of xy is then just the sum of these arbitrary functions, u1 plus u2. Essentially, this is like u1 and this is u2. So this is a general solution of arbitrary functions based on this equation. And this is exercise 3.